Today, we're unleashing the power of our chatbot on your Facebook page to respond to all the DMs you receive as if it were your assistant. It will collect contact information and try to generate appointments for you. Any conversation this chatbot starts and successfully gathers an email or phone number will show up as a lead in your Advertizip account. Cool, right? This chatbot can also be used with a real phone number to send text messages and take control of the conversation, but you need to set up the SMS service for that. And you can create very interesting workflows, such as commanding the chatbot to start a conversation whenever you receive a new lead. This will have your virtual assistant initiating a conversation with your lead in seconds. You can set goals for the chatbot, like trying to get them to schedule an appointment. It's super effective because it can turn potentially awkward situations for a real person into business opportunities. Since it doesn't get stressed, it can always provide the best response to your leads, ensuring they stay calm throughout the conversation. For now, this tutorial is simpler so you can test out our chatbot. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is create a chatbot profile. This will dictate how your chatbot behaves, the goals it needs to achieve, and the data it should collect. You can create more than one profile with different goals and behaviors. In this case, we'll create one that aims to schedule appointments with the leads it converses with. The chatbot will mandatorily try to collect the email, phone number, schedule date, and full name of the current lead. If it's talking to an existing lead, it will only collect the missing information. However, you can add optional data for it to try to collect in this field, separated by commas. These data points won't be mandatory, so if the lead doesn't want to provide them, the chatbot will still continue trying to achieve its main goal of scheduling an appointment. For example, let's also try to get the credit score and job position of the current lead. We're going to set up an open calendar for now so you can capture appointments on any date. We're also going to add context, which is essentially how you want the chatbot to behave during its conversations. This allows you to adjust its mood, sarcasm level, professionalism, whether it writes short texts or gives long explanations. You can also add very detailed information about your business. For example, if you have an office that's a bit tricky to find, you can leave specific instructions, or if you want to include your available hours, requirements for scheduling an appointment, etc. Any specific recommendations can be included here, and the chatbot will provide the best response if asked about them. For now, let's keep it simple and tell it to behave like an assistant to a real estate agent. The chatbot will also take into account all the business information you've previously provided in your account settings. Great! Our first chatbot profile is ready. Now we just need to assign it to a messaging service so it can take control of the conversation. Remember, we can assign it to a real phone number to start conversations via SMS with your leads, but we'll cover that in another video. We can also assign it to one or several of your Facebook pages, which is very easy to connect and what we'll do right now. One of the great features of connecting the chatbot to your Facebook page is the ability to run ads that initiate a conversation on Messenger. This is incredibly useful when you have a property listing and want to attract a large audience. Interested users can easily ask their questions. With an active chatbot, you can provide a unique user experience and collect leads at a very low cost. Click here to start. Click on Connect Facebook account to access Facebook and accept the necessary permissions. Perfect. We have finished requesting permissions for our Facebook page, which in this case is Advertizip. Let's select it and then click on Next. In this last step, we have two options that are enabled by default. The first one is to import existing leads if you've been running ads on Facebook and generating leads with their native forms. For now, we won't use that option, so we'll disable it. The second option is to receive messages in real time directly from Messenger, which will allow direct and immediate conversations between the chatbot and any Facebook user. We'll leave that option enabled and click on Next. Perfect. We can now assign a chatbot to our Facebook page. We just need to open the menu where it says Chatbot Assigned and select the chatbot profile we want for this page. Next to it, there is a switch that controls whether the chatbot is active or not. If you need to disable it at any point, you just need to toggle that switch. That's it. If you want to try our chatbot, go to our Advertizip page on Facebook and start a conversation. We've left the link in the comments of this video. Or try setting up the chatbot on your own page. Good luck, and see you soon.